welcome to my first YouTube video that I am uploading today. The day that I'm uploading this. Okay, this been a long time coming, you feel me? And I really been delaying this and really putting this off to the side. But this is something that I'm really trying to get into and try to do and try to bring, you know, myself closer to my followers and anyone who supports me, my clients, and who purchases from me. And one of the most requested things that I got when I asked my Instagram, I asked them, you know, what did y'all want to see on my first upload, and you all suggested that I do a wig install. So this is the wig we are installing today. Let's see if I can zoom you back. There you go. Okay, cool. So this is the wig that we have. So in my wig I'm in my sleeve. So my wig that we have, it is two 18-inch bundles. I mean, not 18 inches. Two 20-inch bundles with the 18-inch, two 20-inch bundles and 18-inch bundles. So it's 18, 20, 20, and a 16-inch 5x5 closure that I plugged on one side, and now I'm about to plug and customize on the other side. And we are going to be installing my lace today using my lace glue. Okay, let's see. Pretty Secured. Okay, Pretty Secured is a non-latex hypoallergenic lace adhesive made for everyday wear or extreme heat water conditions with a matte dry finish in 2 minutes of application. This product is guaranteed to hold your lace system for a minimum of 3 weeks and a max of 6. You know how strong it is once I apply it on my unit and show y'all, especially my flawless bundles. Also, if you're watching this video now, this is prior to my Cyber Monday sale that I will be having on these exact same bundles that I did color, and I lifted the bundles twice to get this blonde, but I still want to go a little bit lighter with it. So I am going to do another video showing y'all me recoloring this wig right here. So without further ado, I'm about to put this other side, layer it, curl it, and feel me, fast forward real quick, just give y'all some little bloopers because I'm in a rush because I gotta be somewhere. So I'm about to. Okay, y'all, so let's jump right into it. So here I'm going in with my tweezers, and I'm just basically just tweezing away in my front closure. This is not in front of y'all, this is a closure. And I'm just tweezing just to give me that natural look and effect that I want, that I'm going for. And when people ask me about tweezing, I just say, you know, tweeze until you see it looks as normal and as flat as you would like it to be. I'm going in now using a little freeze spray, and I'm just molding down my closure to give it that flat type of look. And I'm combing out the hair, just spraying a little bit more freeze spray, and just keep molding that closure into the kind of look and style that I want it to be, and make sure that it's flat. Also, mind y'all, I was like going out, so that's why I got these clothes on with this little ass skirt. Child, trying to look cute, but I had to have my clothes on and my makeup done before I dipped. So now I'm just going in. I'm about to cut me some layers into my wig. I've already layered and cut the other side of my wig, so I was only just doing the other half. And I'm just going to just create some layers because this wig will be curled, and I want my curls to fall really, really pretty. And so some people are against layering their hair. I go in and I do a heavy layer on my hair just because I want my curls to last a few days before I do need to recurl my wig. Y'all, so just a quick update. I have went ahead on and curled 1/2 of my wig using my Babyliss 1-inch curling ironers. I think they're the nanos, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not too sure. I'll make sure I have it listed down in my bio though, to let y'all know what what the exact name of them are called, but it's my 1 inch, and I'm just going around and I'm just about to finish curling the rest of my wig using about 1 inch or ½ inch sections. Now, one thing that I didn't mention that you all can't really hear me say, my wig in the back was wet. I had just literally got this wig out the dryer. I had to hand blow dry because it was taking forever for it to dry, because my bundles are really thick. So you know, you are gonna get your money's worth with my bundles, and I just needed to do something fast. So if y'all see me using my blow dryer, which I'm doing now, to dry my curls, which is because my hair was still wet and I want to make sure that my curl was as firm and was hold it before I dropped it and kept going. Before applying your Pretty Secure adhesive, because with the Pretty Protectant, it is a primer for the adhesive to lay. It does give a protection between the layer of the skin and the adhesive. It causes less irritation to the skin as well. Helps, you know, put a coating and protect it, and also cleanse the area, and also helps keep that hold of 3 to 6 weeks. So we do recommend using both products. I'm gonna spray a little bit on my cotton swab, on my cotton ball, and I'm looking in the mirror, but I'm just gonna rub off kind of where I have my makeup at, and use this protectant to clean it off, and put my glue on. Okay, y'all, so now that I've rubbed that clean, make sure that y'all make sure y'all get the area clean. I have makeup on, so I'm gonna make sure I spray my glue more. Okay. So once I let that clean, I'm going to take my Pretty Secured. Y'all see? Pretty Secured, baby. We about to get pretty secured. I'm about to get a comb. Quickly. Rub it off. I'm going to take me y'all see? We're going to take us a few dots of our Pretty Secured. I'm just going to dot it over, as y'all can see. Then I'm going to take a comb. And make sure that you're applying this very evenly, okay? And when if you apply it evenly, the better the adhere will be, and the faster that it will dry, okay? So just make sure that you're applying it very evenly. Now I'm gonna apply really just 2 coats, just because I'm only just doing this just for now. I'm not planning on keeping this, but if you do want a secure hold for that 3 to 6 week hold, then you can apply up to 4 layers of this glue. Just make sure that in between each layer, that each layer is thin, as y'all can tell. And while it's even drying, you can still kind of spread it out with a comb, or spatula, whichever one that you have in your presence, or even a butter knife will work fine. And I'm going to take my blow dryer. Okay, so here I'm just taking my blow dryer and I'm just going in on a cool setting, and we're just going to blow dry this first layer of glue completely clear. Make sure that it is completely clear before applying the next coat of glue. I'm telling y'all this now just so you know how to apply this. Once you get your own glue and applying your own system, we want to make sure that the first layer is completely dry. I do keep it just a tad bit of white around the edges. On my complete last layer, I do not let it dry all the way completely clear, because sometimes if it's too dry, it's a little hard for your system to lay into the adhesive. So just make sure when you're doing this part, make sure that you are using very, very thin layers between each layer, and that you are spreading it out evenly across the hairline. It should not be one part that is more white than any other part of the hairline. Okay guys, so just make sure that y'all keeping that in mind when doing applying your adhesive. So now while I'm letting my adhesive dry, I'm using my True Match Lace Conceal in the color bronze, and I'm just about to put that on the back of my brush, and I'm just about to go in and brush that onto my lace to make sure that I get a good, very good lace smell. This is one of my highly recommended lace tints that I've used, so I definitely recommend it. And I'm just applying that onto my closure, as you all see now, getting ready to apply it on my head. Okay, so now y'all, I'm getting ready to apply my wig on my head. As you can see, I'm taking my comb and basically just marking where the middle of my head will be at, because my wig is already parted down the middle, so I want to make sure that it's not too off before I apply it. I am looking in my mirror right now, so if y'all can't really tell, it's because I was really trying to get in the mirror and make sure that my lace was dead on point. So as y'all can see, I'm kind of lifting and pulling until I found the perfect spot, and then I'm gonna take my fingertips. Y'all can see I'm still trying to get it placed right. Now I'm just going to stretch it a little bit at the end. So once I place it in the middle, I do stretch the ends out just to give it a better melted kind of look. So now I'm just pressing that in with my fingers, just pressing in this unit. As y'all can see, it is gorgeous. Y'all see that blind? Look at that blind girl. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with Miss Mamas. We love to see it, Miss Mamas. So I'm just pressing it in and pressing it in until I can get it as flat as I want it to be, I guess y'all would say. And then I messed up my nail, so I'm showing y'all my nail, and it hurts so freaking bad. I hit on something I don't remember, but my nail is almost healed. So I'm about to just go in, cut this excess lace off. I might get a little some for you. Okay y'all, so I'm basically combing out my curls now. I'm using a paddle brush, going out and just brushing out my curls to give it that very full volumized look. And I'm letting my lace melt right now. I also do sell head wraps and bunnies as well, as y'all see in the background, of course. And my bunnies and hair wraps will be on sale for Cyber Monday, and you can get both of them for $15, or any other regular day y'all can go on the site and order them. A bunny and hair wrap is $25 for the set. And I'm just combing my hair out, just combing it out, making sure it just is what kind of wave I'm going for. I like my hair more of a wave. I'm not a tight girl. I'm not a tight curl type of girl. I'm more of a wave kind of girl. So I'm just going in and just making sure that my hair is as brushed out as possible to my liking. And just, looking at myself, looking all fine, getting myself together. And then I'm about to go in and add in my baby hairs and finish those off and finally complete the look. I'm just going in now with the little freeze spray and just making sure that I'm freezing my curls. Okay, honey, because I was finna go out. I want to be in the club and my curls get to sweating. And now my curls are sweating the hell out. No ma'am. No ma'am. So we gonna make sure we together before we go out. So now I'm going in and I'm doing my baby hairs. So with my baby hairs, I like something just as natural as possible. Yeah, I promise. When I tell you I was rushing, so I'm not gonna give y'all a full in-depth like baby hair tutorial because I'm telling y'all I was rushing bad. So I was just trying to do something really fast because my homegirl was calling me like, bitch, where is you at? Like, I'm ready. Your ass ain't ready, girl. You been doing your hair for about 4 hours now, goddamn, girl. So I'm just using the little Gorilla Snot and just basically just placing my baby hairs because I got to go, okay? We ain't got all day to be up on no dryer. I need some more of these things in place and keep going, okay? Do you hear me? And that is what we ate, period. And this is almost the end of my video. What y'all think how y'all think I did for my first time? What y'all think? This is my first ever YouTube video, and I'm doing this voiceover like y'all really is talking back to me. But anyway, I really enjoyed myself making this video, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who has watched my video, and thank you to everybody who is going to shop my sale or who has shopped my sale as of now. If you're watching this video after Cyber Monday, my goal is to get it up by Cyber Monday, and your girl did that thing right there, period. Okay, do you see this bum ass blonde shell? I'm giving the girls all types of looks with the blonde and brown, just giving the girls full of life. We're just combing the girls out, make sure the girls is there, period. Okay, outfit check. Hi, how are you? Yes, ma'am. Get into it, hoes. Get the fuck into it.